Okay, we finish up 2 right? That's the song. Very popular ice cream here in Atlanta. So we got Ron Cross on the giveaway. Amy's got a ticket in her hand. Amy, what number is that ticket? Give it up for our friend from Colorado. He's our winner for some Samurai. Alright, here we go. Next up, Amy has 2 more Samurai she's giving away. Wow, she's so generous today. She's got some Samurai. Amy, what is our next number for the Samurai?
Not so great girls. I don't know.
3, 4, 5, 8. Put your shot on this side. Oh, we got a win. I think so. Let's check it out. Alright, Las Vegas is in the house. Of course, they know how to win some prizes. Las Vegas. Alright, here we go. For our next prize, we're giving away a free umbrella on the beach. Wow, that's good. It's been pretty windy though, so hopefully it'll fly away. Alright, here we go. Amy, what number we got for next one? Alright, so you're going to put your shot on the side. Let's look around. I heard something. Let's see. One more time. If you want to win, put your shot on the side. Yeah, it's just somebody walking over there. I'm going to run for it. 254-685. That is a winner right here. What's your name and where are you from? Joanna from Canada is in the house. She's going to tell that she's now. Here we go. Our next prize, oh my God, this is a $25 to Longboard. So we're going to say $25 to Longboard. Alright, here we go. Amy, what do we got? Oh, let's see what we got. Look like $50. Let's see. Oh, she's in a green t-shirt and a black one. Let's see here. Oh, Byron from Seattle is our winner. She wins our inflation from Seattle. $25 longboard balance. Alright, here we go. So we got 3 more prizes. Here's the big boys. You guys need to stop by the scenes. This is going to be for Focus T-shirt. Let's stop by the scenes. We're going to hear all my guys just go, here we go. Amy, what we got?
There's no fucking way I'm making this drop. bro. I'm dying. I'm gonna die right now. I make it. And I go so far across the I never had a
Here we go.
ride
Put your
down
shot on number 4. One more time and he rolls it.
like I got out and I like stood up and I was like actually like claiming it like holy I'm like Uncle
Oh, is that all right?
and then Uncle Tyler goes, no, that was so sick. And I was like, that was the best way of my life. Like right there. Obviously not. So like that moment was like
Keep up those 6 and 4. You got a winner, yeah.
where I wanted.
What's his name and where he's from?
Yeah, you were there, but I remember that one.
Shaka is Shaka from the Philippines. She's got her focus station. Alright, let's go. Shaka, what a name. Cool, man. Alright, here we go. This one is also passed out on the seat. And this is for Saab. By Saab on the seat. Alright, now here I'm going to go. Ooh. Very good, boys. Here we go. Hey, what number we got? Oh, we got a winner. That's so hard. We've been all around the world so far. We should meet it where we're from. Andy from Washington's in the house. Here we go. She's got her massage. Ooh, she's going to be relaxed tomorrow. She's going to have a good time. All right, here we go. And before we get to our last card, I just want to let you guys know that if you guys had a good time here, don't forget, my name is Mohammed. This is our activities team, the #1 activities team here in Group 3. One of them. So remember, put us down for your survey because we got one more class to go. This is for a fear. Oh my God. You guys know what fear is? That's tomorrow night's luau. And this is for 2 people. Alright? It was only 2 people. He wants me to say 2 people. If you have more than 2, you gotta buy more tickets. Good luck. Here you go. This is for 2 people. Amy, what's the number we got? Oh, did you win? Alright, let's go. 696. What, what's your name and where you from? Alright, and you know what? At the luau tomorrow, they're gonna make you go.
Like you're just trying to it's like on a
So,
like boat or something.
around 9:30, I want you to go 2. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, that's a cheer from Serena, y'all. Alright, I hope you guys had a great time. Don't forget, my name is Mohammed. This is Amy. This is the activities department. This is Corey, the beach club. You guys have a great rest of your day. Mahalo and aloha.
Bird is at that time of year. So it's either facing towards the sun or it's going away from the sun. So it stays either darker or lighter. There's some places that go dark for it's out there. The bar is out there. It gets dark. It just depends on the season. I'm not a physicist. But like, there's like this, it goes 冷たくない。
あ、気持ちよかった。
Perfect timing for the boat to go by. It's gone. No boat horns. No boat horns.